Hi. Okay, so today is the next day in development of my 2D Lattice Boltzmann solver that I'm using in a 3D space. I've hooked up a 3D modeling engine that you can see there, and what I'm doing now is I'm cutting multiple section planes through my test model here. They're all on the XY plane, but I'll talk about that in a minute. Look at the resource usage there as a benchmark or a baseline. It's currently at 315 megabytes of memory, and that's before the analysis run. And then we can monitor that at the bottom running two LBM sequences simultaneously, and you can see it hardly makes a difference. Any notable difference at least. So it's running on really low resources, running real time, and you can see those two slices there operating at the same time. And at the bottom there of the modeling screen, you'll see we've got some residual values being computed real time. So obviously this is still warming up. It's running from the inlet all the way to the outlet on the other side based on the flow parameters and some other stuff that I've assigned to my inlet. But yeah, there you can see it's running, and it'll continue running until it reaches the convergence. And all the while at the bottom there you can see the memory now kind of fluctuating between 300 and 350 more or less megabytes. So all in all, less than 100 megabytes of memory being used to compute both of those slices at the same time, which is pretty impressive. If we actually go to the resources and we look at the performance on the CPU, you'll see it's hardly using any, so really low overheads, and of course the memory is still running low. So this is pretty good. It's still just doing XY plane. I'm next going to implement the vertical plane and then start working on grouping the vector results into a type of a 2.5D output. Okay, cheers, bye.